Heading on a cruise? Here's what to do if seasickness strikes. First, be sure to pack seasickness remedies like medication or a sea band. Being prepared is key. Next, book a cabin on a lower deck near the middle of the ship. You'll feel less movement here compared to the front or back. When you feel queasy, lay down in your cabin with ginger ale, take medication, eat green foods like apples, or step outside for fresh air. Focus on the horizon. It helps stabilize your balance. Avoid reading or screen time. Remember, large ships use advanced tech like stabilizers and radar to keep you safe and comfortable. In rough seas, seasickness bags are always available. You might even spot them in stairwells and hallways for easy access. Protect and prepare yourself for smooth sailing. Happy cruising!